everyone, welcome back. Let's upcycle this old vase. Let's start with priming. For priming, I'm using gesso. The one I'm using is a heavy white gesso from Itsybitsy. Now the primer layer is completely dry. For base, I'm going to give grey color. To make grey color, I'm going to mix white and black chalk paint. You need to add black paint little by little and adjust it to the correct shade. Now apply the paint using a flat brush. Depending on the pigmentation, you may need to give 2 to 3 coats of base paint. After 2 coats, this is how the base looks. I'm going to do a splatter technique using this hard brush to get a granite effect for the background. Next step is to mark the pattern using a pencil. I'm going with the floral pattern today. I marked the design completely. For pattern, I am again using chalk paints from Itsybitsy. Let's start applying them using round brushes. I prefer to give 2 coats for a better finish. To highlight the pattern, let's give a black outline. I'm using a thin brush for this. Now the painting is completely done. The final step is varnishing. I'm using a gloss decor varnish from Itsybitsy. Always apply varnish slowly using a flat brush. You can see a white cast while applying varnish. It will completely become transparent once dry. And here is the final look. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. And thanks for watching.